Welcome to the channel. In today's tutorial, looking to master video editing using CapCut on your PC? Whether you're a beginner or just exploring CapCut for the first time, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the essential processes from downloading to editing like a pro. Let's get started. How to download and install CapCut in PC. To begin, open any web browser. In my case, I open Google and write CapCut for PC in Google search bar. Then click on the first link, or you can direct visit the official website, www.capcut.com. Once you're on the CapCut website, look at the download button and click on it to download it. It's going on ask you where you want to save the file. Choose the location to save the file, e.g., download programs. Software will be downloading. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the instruction on the screen to install it. But in my case, I already installed, so I skip this step. Once installation is complete, you have successfully installed on your system. Open it. CapCut Run Test. To check your computer can run CapCut smoothly, so just click on Confirm. So this is what you see. When open CapCut, just click on plus new project. So you can see CapCut interface with different panel / section, like media panel, timeline and setting, project panel. How to import video in CapCut. PCI'd is a simple process, so just follow along with me these steps. Just click on main menu, then import device, or click direct on plus import. So open new pop-up window and choose the video which one you want to edit and click on open. Or directly drag the video that needs to be imported into the white dotted box. After imported, you can drag them onto the timeline for editing or click the plus sing add to track. Now you are ready to edit videos on CapCut. How to expand or narrow the timeline in CapCut PCS. So, let's say your timeline looks pretty large, but when you add another clip, it appears super small. Click here, and you can zoom to fit the timeline. If you want zoom in, here's what you do. Simply select this button and slide it to right, or click plus to expand your timeline. But if you want to zoom out, you can select this button and slide it to the left, or click to narrow your timeline. You can also expand or narrow the timeline by using the shortcut. By placing the mouse on the operation button, you can view the corresponding shortcut key. Like Ctrl++ for timeline zoom in and Ctrl+ for timeline zoom out. How to turn off preview axis in CapCut. PC. Many users have struggled with the persistent yellow line that follows them around while editing. To disable the preview axis, it's actually really easy. Simply locate the Turn Off Preview Axis button. But if you prefer to have it on, keep the button activated. However, if you want to get rid of it, click on the Turn Off Preview button. CapCut PC Switch Preview Axis has corresponding shortcut keys. It's assigned to the S key on keyboard, which is why it toggles on and off frequently as I work. Customizing the shortcut key for the preview axis. Head over to the Shortcuts menu. On right top near to Export button. On right top near to Export button, and reassign it to a key that you don't use often, like F1. This way you can control the preview axis intentionally, avoiding accidental toggles. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it the thumbs up and subscribe our channel for informative and helpful tutorials.